dias. Oh my god, it's storming. Wait, buenos dias. I am off today, so I just wanted to vlog today. Usually when I'm off, tengo las mañanas like super slow. I get up when I want, clean, cook, do my morning routine. And now it's raining, so it's a perfect day off. We just gotta get up, that's the problem. I had my coffee. I'm gonna take a yogurt to the office. The kitchen, done. Coffee machine set up. Everything's put away. I love this runner for my kitchen. I love my dishwasher. I don't even know. Wash and dryer over there. Mi salita. You guys, I had got a sofa for free from TikTok, and it was bad. It was like too small. I don't know if I ever showed it in the videos, but it was for free and I had to make a video on it, but it was so bad that I was like, I'm not gonna make a video on this. I don't want nobody to buy it. It was just so small and uncomfortable. So I got rid of it on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody actually bought it. And then I already had all these pillows at my parents' house. This is like a pull-out bed, so when people come visit, I'll link everything in my Amazon storefront. And then we got my big old mirror from my mom's room and my old room. I brought it over here. I'm gonna buy some flowers today. Hopefully I remember. I've been trying to buy flowers every day for that little vase. I need to buy some plantas también. And then my TV. I bought 2 movies. And then my room. My room's been giving me a headache. La cama ya está. Nightstands are cute. This one came broken. They're sending me another one. So yeah, that's gonna be fixed. I love this. My Vanity Vita key. I ordered it already. It's coming. And then, yeah, this is it. It's nothing special, but it's so cute, so girly. It's just mine, you know, peaceful. And then my bathroom. I'll show you all the bathroom. I got that on Amazon. It's so cute. And then the shelf I already had these acrylic shelves. My friends love these, but I think it's like too much stuff out. But it's cute because it gives a lot of color to the bathroom. This is me. All of this stuff is from either TikTok shop or because they give me stuff free, or honestly Home Goods. I love this. Okay, girls, we're ready to go to the office, but I got a package on my door. I don't know what I ordered. Unless it's something from TikTok. Oh my god, they sent me the wrong piece. Is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is the nightstand. Let me turn the lights. I'm like vlogging in the dark. So I'm gonna put this on right now, like this. I'm just making some shrimp and rice and a salad porque estoy a dieta. So yeah, I just made some chipotle shrimp with some honey, chipotles. Y a ver qué sabe esta chingadera. I need to turn on the lights so it's dark in here. Okay guys, we're back home. This is a drink I'm gonna drink. We got it at the wellness event. It's called Laura? I don't know. It has grapefruit and purely pear. It has cannabinoids. I don't know what that does to me, but let's see. It has a weird little taste, but it's pretty good. I like pear. So we'll see how that goes. I didn't go to the gym because I booked a Pilates class at 6:30. It is now 4 o'clock. But the Pilates place is only 13 minutes away. So, yeah, I posted my TikTok shop videos. Follow me si quieren. kmoralless with 2 L's, 2 S's. I don't know. People claim they love it and they make good money on there. And you know what? I already have a business, but why not get extra, you know, to travel or something. Hello. We're on the way to Pilates. So my Pilates was at 6:30, but I moved it to 4:30 because I was just bored, and I was like, I don't want to sit around for.
Eight more, let's go. 8, 7. Rolling it on the way down. So you're not letting that leg drop, okay? We're gonna 5, 4. You hold it back in 1, pulse it up. Pulse it up. Listen, you can put that ball under your head if you want. Okay? Bring your knees as wide as possible, flex your feet. Use that ball to lengthen the arms and the shoulders, throw the forehead down.
Film it for. Alright, girls, that was hard. I was able to film it for TikTok and YouTube because at this place they let you film too. I don't want to film that much, so like I just did a little bit. I need to wash my mat and my aloe thing because I washed it and then I went and used it in the grass once. And even though I washed it, it still has some like dirt on it. Alright, we gotta go home and clean this car. No. We got my favorite perfume. I didn't know they had Medicube here. They have everything. This is on sale right now on Amazon for 15 bucks and it's 20 here. I need these. Mask. Love. I get this. 0 pores. I need this. So my pores are hitting. So, after Pilates, I posted a vlog on TikTok if you guys want to go watch it. Pero después de Pilates fui a la Target, fui al gimnasio y ya estoy en casa, me bañé, comí, me voy a comer un snack. Voy a ver un poquito de Netflix and then we're going to bed, girl. Porque mañana es un día largo. Entonces, pues sí. Ay, voy a buscar algo en Netflix porque ya I've already